Good evening. Today I am here to tell you if you want to develop your English communication, so tell me. Sometimes we think English grammar is necessary for speaking. So it have two parts. One not necessary and another is necessary. So first let me time to first part means not necessary. How we develop our mother tongue? First time we start listening. While we was listening our mother tongue, that time just we was listening. After that we are also try to communicate small word. After that also we try to combine two words or three words. After that we was fluent. So my dear friend, if you have a really passion for this language, if you are thinking I can develop this language, so start speaking. I already know maybe you are a student of college or university or any high school or high secondary level. Generally, in this stage, people know minimum 30 or 40% English. You know a lot of things. Just try to use it. Slowly, try to use it. When you will use, automatically your sentence structure will be good, and you not need to about think more grammar. Because when you will try to think about more grammar, so every time your mind will focus for only grammar. Means I should not mistake. Hey, don't worry. People make mistake. People learn by mistake. We are human being. Mistake is our part of life. If we are not have a mistake, that's mean we are dull and also in statue. Means statue looks like human being, but they don't mistake because they don't have a quality of human. So don't worry about your mistake. Focus for your speaking parts, and don't try to more think about the grammar. It means every time just you are thinking in your mind, but if you will think more about grammar, so you will not able to speak. This is the D minus of this portion. But first try to speak. And now I am going to give a second part. Means grammar also necessary to be a perfect speaker or professional speaker. Means when you will start listening, reading, writing, and also you also will try to speak. So in this phase you need grammar, because if you not have a basic grammar knowledge, so how you will create the sentence? Because English is not based on also memory method. By memory method you can't develop this language, because unlimited sentence, unlimited phrase, and unlimited idiom, how many things you will remember or memorize? It is totally impossible to memorize method. So then another what is remind for you, that means you can develop, means you can create the sentence according to situation. For example, I am now talking and I am uploading video. So this is the present moment. So I use sentence I am making video. But if I say means I made video for this particular moment, so maybe people will understand by this sentence means I made video my past time, not my present time. So it is the fact. If you want to means confidence without grammar, so you can't do it. For perfect English or perfect confidence, you have to know basic grammar. Basic grammar means what? am I telling about the whole grammar or entire grammar part? It is totally no. It is remember. But which part and how much grammar we need, that's means if you have a good knowledge about past, present and future, 3 grammar, and time also 3, either past, present, either future. So if you have a knowledge about that things, means every part have a 4 means part. The indefinite, present, perfect and perfect continuous. Every part have. And also same past. If you have a basic knowledge about your present, past, future, so that's much enough. And now you have to know little bit means knowledge about preposition. Means for example, we have to use about means a day or name of the day means one. But you are using in, so it is totally grammatical mistake. It is not a biggest, but if you want to become a perfect or professional speaker, so you have to develop these things. And next time you can try means about model, about passive, means sometime, not every time, sometimes some things happen, but we don't know about subject, actually who did these things. So how will you present and will you express your thought? How will you tell about this moment? So dear, for that I am telling you, if you really have an intention or passion this language, try to work about your grammar. Means without perfect grammar you can't develop your good English. You can learn survival English, it is easy. But when you are staying in India, when you are not have a proper environment of English, so in that type of situation, you have to develop your grammar method. But without, it is totally different. According to me, I have been practicing about this language since 2 years. But I did a biggest mistake. Means I was thinking about myself. Means I knew the all grammar. My grammar part is very strong. But when I analyzed myself, I got my grammar part is not strong. That's why I am not building good confidence about myself. So really, if you have to build good confidence about yourself, so you have to know little bit grammar, means basic grammar. I am not telling about the means very advanced level grammar. No, what is basic, try to know. It is enough for you. So moral of my speech, 2 things. Means one part is grammar is not important, but after a part grammar also means important. So how you can maintain both things? Means if you have a time and really when you decide that English can give me a good future, then you have to work, you have to practice, you have to learn grammar. Then your result, you will see good result. Otherwise you will take a long time, but you will not see the good result. So daily basis, 10 minutes or 20 minutes, it is not so big things for you. Go through the YouTube. There is many more good teacher. They will give you good knowledge about English grammar within 20 minutes, within 10 minutes. That's enough for you. Just after that, try to lot of practice with your friend, with self, with mirror, with mobile. Whatever easy for you, just do this. When you will do this, so your both part will be strong. Now when you will go for communicate, for talking, that time you will have a good confidence. You will communicate your friends, with officers, with teacher with confidence. Now you are progressing in your way with a logic, with a trick. So this all. So dear, my dear friend, I want to tell you, if you have a mindset, try to know about grammar. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it is not so big time for you. I know grammar part is boring, but you have to do it. You have to practice. You have to know. Otherwise, no option. So for today, this is enough. Tomorrow we will come here with a new topic, with a new energy, and with a new learning. So give a love your brother with comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.